Hi everybody, this is Tina and I'm here with hashtag Jelly Postcard Play hosted by Jerry Griffins. I'm going to make that so you guys can see that hashtag there. I darkened it because I realized you couldn't really read it because of the background. So I hope you can see it this time. There we go. It's day 3 already. And this one it's a napkin in the background. I kind of doodled this and adding like swigglies, like kind of look like water ripples was my trying to effect, but it didn't work out like I planned. But I left it, and I got this. I forgot what they call these with the little dolphin narwhal. That's it, narwhal. And just a sticker, and I got some paper so it looks like he's behind the water, and that's the sky. It says hello gorgeous, and then I got this little piece I had, and there's day 3. There we go. Doop, doop, doop. Can you already believe it's July 3rd? It's like, damn, where'd it go? Yeah. So, I thank you guys for watching. I hope you're checking everybody else's out that is doing these little postcards. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.